Hey guys, it's Rick at Elijah Tooling. Give me two, I'll make it worth your while. Hey, I've got 3 great reasons to visit our website today. And so I'm going to do it over here on the computer, and we're going to just scroll down somewhat slowly here. But the first real great reason I want you to come to our website is we've got this brand new animation. And what it does is it shows very closely how our products work. It shows in different ways that we quick change things. So I would like you to visit us and give it a look. There's another video, another animation underneath it as well. It just kind of shows you how the fastener gets installed. It's the key to our quick change. Now I'm gonna sort of zoom to the bottom here pretty fast. As you can see, you have to look at my mug a few times, and I apologize about that. Let's see if we can get that. There's some testimonials, more videos, right? And then we get to the bottom. So the other thing I want to invite you to visit our website is we have got a rewards program now. If you are willing to let your friends know about us, guess what? You get a reward, and they get a reward as well. $100. Let me show you how easy it is. All we do is we just type in our email address. I'm gonna do, and we put in our name. See, kind of anal about that. Can't get that I wrong. And all we do is start sharing, and what's going to happen is it's going to give us this link. And the link is going to be what you send to your friends, family, coworkers, people that need to know about this product. You know how it's exciting it is. Now they can know how exciting it is. The other one thing I wanted to show you is we have this live chat button, and I'll just fill this in really fast because I'm running out of time. But the thing that makes this really cool is that you may be right in the middle of a project and you're like, I need help. So you can quickly get a hold of us, no problem. No email, no phone call, just help. And check it out. There we go. There's somebody there. You will have a real person on the other side of this chat box, and you can get your answers right away. Anyway, thank you for spending time with me, and I will see you next time.